Hey, Pete Barrie here, Product Management Director with Sani-Matic. We're here at PACK EXPO Las Vegas 2023, here in the booth, and here to show you a few products from Sani-Matic, hoping to provide you ROI squared, return on investment, and real operational improvement. So let's take a look at a couple of our products. So this first system is our SaniCab automated COP parts washer. COP standing for clean out of place. It can reduce manual cleaning, or it can replace things like a traditional COP parts washer. This unit is going to clean faster with less labor and using less utilities. This is our SaniCab rack. It shows off some of the applications that we can wash inside of our SaniCab parts washer. Anything from waste scale buckets to traditional 3-5 gallon buckets, waste scale elevators, filler pistons, fittings. There's some hoses on the front, and tri-clamp fittings. So anything that you are manual cleaning, we can design custom racks to fit your application. Parts go on the rack, into the washer, and just like your dishwasher at home, an automated cycle begins. This unit is our digital process recorder, powered by our SaniTrend Cloud software. It is a paper chart recorder replacement going digital. So instead of paper-based records, you can hook up to 8 analog input signals, things like temperature, conductivity, flow, pressure, as well as up to 12 digital signals, pump running signal, cycle, valve open signal, and it takes that data, sends it to the cloud where you can easily access it, review it, and store it securely. This screen is showing our SaniTrend Cloud software. Both our digital process recorder data collection goes here, as well as any cleaning reports or CR data collection goes here. So an automated CIP system or a COP system from Sani-Matic, we can add a cleaning reports product software onto it, and after a cleaning cycle is done, that data gets packaged up, sent up to the cloud, where you can review, comment on, and see operational efficiencies of the system. Sani-Matic offers a full line of sanitary components to protect and improve your sanitary processes. Everything from strainers, angle line, T-line, basket, and Y strainers, to spray devices, rotary sprays, jet sprays, and static spray balls, as well as a full line of taint components. So things like sight glasses, lights, vents, and hydraulic spray deflectors are all here to improve your sanitary process. For more information on Sani-Matic equipment, components, services, and software, visit us at sanimatic.com.